Hi, welcome to Jeffcoat Art. My name is Christy, and I am doing another framed in nature flat lay. And this pour is actually done by my husband Carl, and I love it. If you look at that top left corner, looks like maybe a goose or swan flying. I think it just turned out really cool. And I'm creating stylized flat lay. I love making these, and I love collecting the little bits of nature that I use for them. So the two, I guess the orange flowers, they almost look like heather. And they were in a bouquet that I had, and I dried those. The moss was from the centerpieces I made for my wedding a few years ago. And oh, I love this fungi are my latest additions to my nature collection. They were in a plant basket that someone had sent me, and they just looked so cool. They're obviously fake, but they add such an earthy texture. And those little birch bits there, I also used in my wedding centerpieces. I'm hoping to pair up with a jewelry maker on Instagram for this particular painting, because she makes these beautiful copper rings, and I love, when I'm done with this and everything's set up, I love sticking my hand in there and wearing a beautiful ring that matches the painting and the flat lay. And so I'm hoping I hear back from her. And you'll be seeing one of her rings in this photo. We'll keep our fingers crossed. I just really love the way this turned out. That moss is delicious. The two little plants I have in there are, oh, where did I get those? They're fake. But they don't look super fake, so I like to use them. The two pieces at the top and on the very right were also from flower bouquets. I love, 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 love drawing flowers, and I have a ton of petals in jars. You want to know what to give me? Give me an empty jar. Oh, and I'll fill it with flowers. I might fill it with some dead bugs. Because I do have a collection of those as well. The only stone I used in this was the top left, that egg, and I think that's an agate, but I could be wrong. Pine cones were also from a flower bouquet. I save everything. Oh my gosh. But it pays for when I'm making these lovely little photos. This print is available at jeffcoatart.com if you'd like to have it in your home. Just shoot on over there. And here's the final pic. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so you can see more, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.